Today on Redneck Rescue, we've got a Skidoo thing that is now a Polaris thing, where we've got a hole in the heat exchanger.
The hole.
It's all the way back in here.
Oh, nice.
Caused by a stick. Put a crack in the weld. So we got some 5-minute epoxy JB weld that we're going to use. So we got our little crack right here. We're just going to take some of the sandpaper and clean it off. We're just scuffing the surface so that the epoxy will stick. Then we're going to torch it.
Make sure there's no moisture before we lay our epoxy.
So this is all one nacho, so we're just going to tear into each package a little bit and use what we need to. It's fine. We set up, we got our spot. We're going to use a little bit of sandpaper. Going to come down in here. It's right on that seam. So we're just going to go ahead and get that seam.
And spread it slightly bigger than our cracked area. And then let it dry. Now let the fun continue.